Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Bank of America. I've talked about them on the channel here before. So I haven't done a bank stock in a while. It's usually EVs or MJ, but time for an update on Bank of America. Here you can see what they've done over the last year, up 52%. So they've had a great year, up 4.39% in the last 3 months. Past month, 0.40% in the green. Past week, they've had a really good last week here at 5.80%, and here's today. So, haven't covered a stock where every one of these are in the green, so that's a positive. But again, this is Bank of America, ticker BAC. I have 5 shares here in Robinhood. Have more in the IRA, and there's my return. I've had these for a while, so profit of about $20 per share. If you don't know much about Bank of America, you can just pause that and go for that there. Been around since 1904, volume of 49.52 million, average of 55.43, market cap of 404.13 billion, and a 52-week low of 32.40. 52-week high of $50.08. 59% ratings here as of buy on Robinhood. And next earnings is available on April 18th in the pre-market. So looks like they've beat on earnings every time. There was the best quarter, it looks like. So, and here's a little bit of my history. So get a dividend, 5 shares, 21 cents quarterly, $1.05. So not too bad. If you want to see when I bought mine, so it looks like they have increased their dividend, 75 cents, 90, $1.05. Here's where I bought mine, clear back in 2018, so almost 4 years ago I've had these. So have a couple different bank stocks. Bank of America is probably my biggest holding, so they finally started appreciating the last couple years, so not too bad. And over here on Microsoft Bing, currently as a buy with an upside to 51.73. Venture Visionary Partners LLC buys Bank of America Corp, Faraday Future Intelligent Electric. And as you can see, this is just dated here today. So, investment company Venture Visionary Partners buys Bank of America, Faraday Future Intelligent, and so on. Vanguard High Dividend, and the following. But Bank of America is in there, as you can see right there. Looks like they had quite a few buys. So, there's a list of their new purchases. Added positions right there is Bank of America. And reduced a bunch of them too, so reduced Tesla, interesting. Top 5 holdings, Venture Visionary Partners, Apple, Microsoft, which I've talked about Apple numerous times, Microsoft once or twice. Don't really go over the SPY here on the channel, not that I'm saying I'm not going to, I might start. VO, and I've covered a couple of these. Vanguard, I have a couple of those as well. Those are ETFs, VWO, PIMCO, Dynamic. That's interesting. A new purchase, Scott Miracle-Gro. I've covered that one numerous times. That kind of goes along with the MJ stocks that I have, along with IIPR as a REIT. Added Bank of America. Added to a holding in Bank of America by 137.92%. The purchase price were between $43.14 and $48.37, with an estimated average price of $45.61. The stock is now traded at around $49.42. Impact to the portfolio due to the purchase was 0.31%. Holdings were 183,502 shares as of 12/31/21. Bank of America's preferred stock Series LL shares cross 5% yield mark. And this is also dated here today. Trading on Tuesday, shares of Bank of America, 5% non-cumulative preferred stock Series LL. We're yielding above the 5% mark based on the quarterly dividend annualized to $1.25. With shares changing hands as low as $24.79 on the day, this compares to an average yield of 5.45%. And here's the chart showing the difference between BAC and BAC.PRN. Below is a dividend history chart for BAC.PRN showing historical dividend payments on Bank of America, non-cumulative preferred stock. And Tuesday trading, Bank of America Corp, 5% non-cumulative preferred stock, Series LL symbol BAC.PRN is currently down about 0.8% on the day, while the common shares BAC are up 1.7%. Bank of America Corp stock rises Tuesday, outperforms the market, and as you can see, this is just 53 minutes ago. Shares of Bank of America rose 1.79% to $49.38 Tuesday on what proved to be an all-around favorable trading session for the stock market, with S&P 500 rising 0.84% to 4,521.54. Dow Jones rising 1.06% to 35,462. And the stock's third consecutive day of gains, Bank of America closed 70 cents below its 52-week high of $50.08, which the company reached on January 10th. So, been a good year for Bank of America. So, stock demonstrated a mixed performance when compared to some of its competitors Tuesday. JP Morgan Chase rose 1.88 to 155.95. Citigroup rose 1.15 to 67.12. Wells Fargo rose 2.48% to 58.75. Trading volume 49.1 million remained 4.8 million below its 50-day average volume of 53.8 million. Does Bank of America stock have more downside because of a Jim Guy video on the anti-work subreddit? Good question. See if there's any relevant up-to-date information here. This all looks pretty old. We'll check out StockTwits. Currently at $49.38, low of $32.55, high of $50.08. And I was going to maybe do a high tide video here. It looks like they had a really good day. Outperforms all other pot stocks, including Sundial, Tilray, and CGC. I've made several high tide videos. High tide is under the radar and still heavily undervalued. The meme stock chasers will be left holding bags, while the stocks with strong underlying fundamentals will rise to the top. High tide is the cream of the crop. And that's what I said numerous times. High tide is one of my favorites. So, ooh yeah, gotta love Macho Man. Sorry, my voice is, I would have done it better, but my voice is about trashed. And let's see here. Not much other information in there. Over here on Emerson Money, currently showing it as a buy. And here on Tip Ranks, currently as a moderate buy with a 6.4% upside to $52.58. High of $66, low of $40. That's all that I have on BAC. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost bases, any other information you'd like to share. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.